Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today we'll going to see another scenario based question, okay, which is popularly asked in the interview, MNC's interview and any kind of interview or hands-on sessions. Okay, so we'll go and see. But before going to that, I want to introduce our channel. So this is our channel Cognitive Coders. We used to upload lots of interview-based, scenario-based video, and we have PySpark database playlist for you guys who want to learn PySpark and Databricks badly. They can follow us, they can go through this playlist. Then there I have explained lots of important functions and all. We have 62 plus videos on this playlist. Okay, so you can go to the playlist and you can watch it. There are also real-time scenario basis playlist. You can see there are four playlists. One is PySpark database, one is real-time scenario basis and one is for multiple MNC's interview question, and one is for scenario based interview question. Okay, we continuously we are uploading the videos. Okay, so if you guys like our videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. Please stay with our channel Cognitive Coders. Please support us. Okay, so without wasting time, I'll go to our today's topic. So what they have given one data set. Okay, so they want write PySpark solution to calculate the highest total revenue. Okay, so some companies revenue they have given region wise. Okay, so north, south, east, west, central. Okay, there are five regions, different months revenue data they have given. Okay, so North February revenue 100, South January revenue 500. Based on that way, once again not much review 100. Okay, based on that way they have given. So what they want the total revenue. Okay, highest total revenue. So for getting the total revenue, first what we need to do? First we need to sum up the data for each and every region. Okay, so that's why what we need to do, that's why we need to perform the group by operation, and after that sum. So what we are doing here, we have imported the functions whatever we required. Okay, so first we will perform the group by operation based on the region, because we need the data region basis. Okay, so and after that sum we'll do the summation. Okay, so why it is giving me error? 1 minute. Okay, I need to run it first once again, otherwise group by operation will not perform. So now the group by using group by for each and every region, I am getting the data. You can see. Okay, 200, 600, 600, 400, 1000. Okay. So now what I need to do? The using the aggregation, we have got the data, and after that we change the column name to total revenue. So it is very simple. So those guys who are not able to understand, please go through our video, the group by aggregation video, which is in the PySpark database playlist, already exists. You can go through, or I will share the link in the I button. You can first go through that video and come to this video, then you will get to understand how it will work, the group by aggregation. Okay, so using group by aggregation we are getting our total revenue for each and every region. Now so what they want the second highest total revenue. Okay, so for getting the second highest total revenue, we want to segregate data based on the rank. Okay, so for getting the rank, what we will use the window function here. Okay, so without window also directly rank using you can create, but here why I am creating window, I'm telling you. So using window function, we are creating one window over order by using uh, total revenue. Okay, based on total revenue, I'm creating one window. So here, after that, what I am doing, I'm creating one column rank, which will give us the rank, total rank. Okay, so here we have type value. Okay, so here they have not asked us, okay, when the value will be typed, what we need to do. But this kind of scenario should come to you, okay, during the interview session. Certain scenario we can say, but if the rank is type, then what we need to do, then we can segregate the data based the our second whatever it is called, the second condition, the region wise, region name wise. So you can mention it here also, uh, call region. Okay, ASC. If the after using the order by on total revenue, if the total revenue is a type value, then the same value, then it will consider the region name also. The naming, based on the naming convention, it will give the ranking. Okay, now you can get the 600 is east, 600 is south, but rank, based on rank, it will get segregated based on the naming convention. Now the what they want the data for the second highest total revenue. Now we can easily filter the data. Let's see, final DA. Okay, from final DA dot filter, then what we need to do, call uh, so rank should be equals to, they want the second highest data. No, okay, they want the second highest data. Then what we need to do, uh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Here we need to give DSC. Okay, DSC, because descending order way. But second highest data also we can get it from the last thing, but we are you can perform the TSC, then it will be better to get the data. Now you can get, now the second highest data, what it is, column rank equals filter, rank equals to what why it is not happening. Okay, rank equals to, now you will use this show function for getting the data. Okay, now you will be getting data as your second highest revenue zone. Okay, the south region is the second highest region. Okay, so we have south and east, but based on based on the naming convention, if I need to get, then region would be AC. Okay, because ascending order we need the region. E is the first letter before S. Okay, in the grammatical. Okay, where in our alphabet. Okay, now it's one is the region which has second highest revenue. Okay, so that is the thing. I think you have understood the concept. This is very simple but very much useful and very much asked in interview scenario, I can say. Okay, because there is window function, there are lots of window function is a very much usable function. Okay, in our daily PySpark activities, windows function, group by aggregate function. This window function also I have explained in my PySpark database playlist. I will give you the link in I button. You can go through it. There I have explained lots of theory on that, and clearly understandable, I can say, for you guys. If you are not able to understand from here, please go and watch that video. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our video. Okay. And support us, please do subscribe our channel and support us so that we can reach to the large audience. Okay. And whoever is needed, they also can get the benefit of our video. Okay. So thank you for watching our video. Bye.